Howdy YouTube, X-Man602 here. Yeah, I think January the 9th, I got me a, 1996 Ford F-150 Eddie Bauer edition. Needs a little work. It's got a 6-inch sky jacket lift there, as you can see. Got to get new tie rods and ball joints in the front end. Sitting on 35-inch tires. Front tires aren't too bad, but I'm going to need back ones for sure. Blued headlights. Yeah, real good looking color. I'm going to have an update later for you on the truck. Got these cab lights up here. As you can see, one is missing. Yeah, that's because I've taken it out and I'm getting new lights and balls and stuff tonight. Little rust on it, you know, cab corners and stuff, but it's not bad. And yeah, it's got the tires in the back. Yeah, I definitely need new tires on there before long. It's got a real nice 5.0 in it, V8. It's got a BBK headers on it and flowmasters, straight flowmaster pipe. I'll pop the hood for you here. It's pretty nice looking. I'll pop the hood and then I'll start it up. As you can see, it's pretty cold outside. It's probably about 10-15 degrees, I'm sure. Here's the interior. Pretty clean interior, really. Gloves and stuff. There's the speedometer and all that. Custom CD player. It's got the little hookup thing there. Got the switches there for the KC lights if I want to put some on there. Grizzly sticker. There's the winter mean. It's the best. But yeah, it's got the bully step plates and everything. I'll pop the hood real quick. It has the 2 tanks. That's what I thought was cool on it. Flip it on the go there in the dash. Alright. Yeah. There it is. Real clean motor and everything. There's the MSD ignition down there. Yep. It's going to be cold. It's going to be a cold start here. But yeah, I mean, it's a good looking truck. Let's close the hood the rest of the day. There we go. Alright, I'll fire it up. Chrome bed plates. Not doing much to it, just a few little things. Climb up in here. Oh yeah. It'll definitely be a cold start, that's for sure. Alright. Start her up, turn on some heat. I'll take her down the road and stuff here for a little bit. Can't really tell, I got a big snow pile I'm going to take her up on. But, let her turn the radio down. There's a little visor cap there, as you can see. Yeah, start her up. Let it warm up before I take you down the road or anything. Yeah, pretty loud, as you can tell. There's the exhaust right over there. Exhaust is right in there, you can't really tell. But, yeah. Let it warm up a second and I'll take you down the road. It's pretty powerful. But, got the little wood panels, power windows, power locks. Yep. I love it. It's my new baby. First truck. Can't beat it. Can't ask for any more. Yeah. Bought it for $3,700. Can't believe it. But, yeah, I mean, paint up the top here. It's starting to go a little bit, but it's not bad at all. I ain't worried about it. It's just going to be used for mud and then playing around in. Normal teenage redneck truck. There she is smoking over there from the exhaust. It's real cold. There's that flowmaster, you can really tell. Right there. Yep. Hop up in there and rev it up a second. Oh, I just had to vacuum it out and everything. Crank up some heat. AC works. Rev it real quick. Alright. Alright. Roll down the road here. And the steering wheel also needs to be tightened, but I ain't worried about it. It's an easy fix. We're good. Kind of cracks and stuff. The clock spring in there needs to be tightened down, so turn the radio down, you can hear it. Hear it roar. I don't know if you can hear it idling or not, but turn the seat down, I know you'll hear it. I'm sure you can hear it now. Yeah, I took my buddies down here the day I got it. Man, I could tell it needs new tires on it because I sat there and did a full donut, not even on the snow. Give her a little gas there. Oh, there went some stuff. There we go. Yeah, she rides good. Pull in here and I'll see if I can get up on the snow pile without having to kick her in four. Go down the window. There it is right there. There we are now. Let's check it real quick before I go anywhere. Oh man. Barely clears up high. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to put it in 04 and dig her. But yeah, I mean the snow doesn't pack very well. I was hoping I'd be able to drive it up better on pretty easy, but I have to kick it in 4, I guess. Put it in 4 here. 4x4's on. Go put it in the lockouts. There you go. Lock this one in over here. There, I'm pretty sure it's in there. I haven't put it in 4 yet, but I want to test her. See, he said he'd be able to feel it kick in, so test it out. Yep, it says 4x4's on, so. See if I can feel them top ones grabbing or not. There it is, tucks a little bit, not much, keeps rolling down before I can get my foot on the damn brake. But, yeah. Can't get it too high up there. I'll try some more. You can tell it's tucked a little bit on there, but see how high I got up there on it. Got all the way up to there. See if we can get her up top. But, pretty sure 4-wheel drive's in. And I'm not familiar with these lockouts, but let's see if I can set the camera down maybe. Sorry for this bad footage, but I can't. It's supposed to be up there now. She's tilting a lot. Oh yeah, she's tucking now. Can't tell much, but yeah, neighbors are out there watching. Yep, it's tucked. There you see it. Alright.